So we have like an 11, 12-foot Christmas tree. We don't know what to do with it. So I figured I'd take this little handy dandy tool out and I start chopping it up and cutting it. And so it's actually working really well. Check this out. I mean, it's like butter. It's like butter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut all of these branches off. And then I'm going to do a little fire out in the backyard and burn up some of the logs. I'm going to end up cutting these in maybe 1 foot little pieces. It's going to actually work pretty well.